Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping, okay? So if you want to dropship from CJ Dropshipping to eBay, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step on how you can do that. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video, and let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to know, guys, is like on eBay, you are allowed to do dropshipping, okay? So it's not really like they say, like it's like a lot of people say you are not allowed to dropship on eBay because of the logo, like in the package, because you know eBay company tries to protect itself from Amazon, and also they are like competing with Amazon, okay? That's exactly why sometimes they ban accounts that they think that they dropship from websites like e-commerce websites like Amazon. And the reason for that is very simple. Like the most people that dropship on eBay, they dropship from Amazon, and Amazon like has the logo in the package, and a lot of like customers complain to eBay. They say, oh my god, this product is not from eBay, it's coming from Amazon, and that's not eBay. that's exactly why eBay bans a lot of accounts, okay? So they don't really, as long as they make money, they don't have any problem if you dropship or not. As long as you are shipping orders in time, you are talking to your customers, there is no problem, okay? So for me, I have been dropshipping for a very long time. It's like 4 years, and I do dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. I have never had any problem, any ban, or any complaints from like customers, nothing, okay? So I have sold like I would say like a lot, like I would say like 10,000 items or more. I don't remember exactly, but I have sold a lot of items, okay? So okay, so let's start. Let me show you guys first how you can list CJ dropshipping products into your eBay, okay, into your eBay account. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your CJ dropshipping account, of course, and yeah, you just need to log into your account. Now after that, you want to then like link your eBay to you want to then link your eBay to CJ, okay, so that you can list products from CJ dropshipping to eBay. Now first thing you need to do, guys, like I said, is to add the I'm going to scroll down a little bit, okay? So you want to click here, okay, this icon here, and then you want to it says authorization, okay? You want to click on it, as you can see here, this icon, and then select eBay, okay? Or if you don't see this icon, click on authorization, and you want to then select eBay, okay? So after you select, guys, eBay, then you want to click on add store, okay? As you can see, you haven't authorized any store yet, it says here. Now you will ask you guys to confirm, because I already added this eBay store to this CJ dropshipping. You need to scroll down and click on confirm or give access to like eBay, okay? Give access to CJ dropshipping. And that's exactly what you need to do. Now, after you are on this page that says authorization success, then you want to find products that are going to get sales on your eBay. A lot of like new eBay sellers or new eBay dropshippers, they just find random products and they list them into their eBay store, and that's a big problem because you are not going to get any sales, okay? Even if, for example, I am dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Now the product on AliExpress has, for example, 500 sales, okay? It has been sold 500 times, but on eBay it's not proven to work, okay? So no one is actually interested in that product, even though on AliExpress it has a lot of sales. That doesn't mean it's going to get the exact same sales on eBay, okay? So what you guys need to do instead, you want to go to eBay and search for your competitors, okay? Search for people that are doing dropshipping and find exactly what they are selling, and try to find the exact same items on CJ or AliExpress AliExpress. I know, guys, you want to start dropshipping from CJ to eBay, and that's exactly why you clicked on this video, but let me just give you my 2 cents, okay? Give you my experience, because I've been doing this for a very long time. So doing dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay is way better than doing it from CG. Okay, probably you will say, oh my god, this is not that's not true or something like that. I really tried every single platform. Like I tried Amazon, I tried Lowe's, I tried AliExpress, I tried Home Depot, I tried a lot of websites that are not even known, that are not even known by a lot of people, and I tried them, and the best for me is AliExpress. Okay, so I have found success with AliExpress. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you can, of course, you can dropship from CG to eBay, but I just don't find it profitable. Okay, even if you make some dollars, it's not really enough. You need to scale this. Okay, on AliExpress, I have like full control over my business, and by the way, I do everything manually, so I don't really rely on softwares or anything like that. I try to list products that are going to get sales, and I get sales, and I go to AliExpress, and instead of putting the address my address, instead of putting my address, I put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress sends the product directly to the customer. Okay, everything manual, like I said, and there was like I'm doing crazy number, not really a lot, like $100,000 a month or anything like that. I'm doing good. Okay, for example, $7,000 a month. Okay, 7,000, 8,000 a month, which is good. Okay, for this business, it's really a good number. Of course, the profit is not going is a little bit lower. I would say $2,000 a month, 1,000, sometimes $1,000. This is really not a stable business. Sometimes you make the most money, sometimes you don't. So, you know, but you won't, at the end of the day, you won't lose anything. Okay, like every month you will be able to make profits. Okay, you are not going to lose anything, because even if someone opens dispute against you on eBay, you go to AliExpress and you do the exact same step. You do the exact same thing, and then after you receive the money on AliExpress, you go to eBay and refund the buyer, and then that's exactly what you need to do. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now you want to find a product that you want to add from CG to eBay, and as you can see, for example, you want to add this product. Okay, so as you can see, you just need to scroll down and you want to click here where it says list. Okay, and here you will find your eBay store. As you can see here, as you can see, enter the store name, you will find here your eBay store. Now you can also make some changes before pushing this product. I'm going to select here eBay. Of course, like I said, you can make some changes before pushing this product to your eBay store. Now after you make some changes, you can also click on here, it says images and videos, if you want to unselect an image you don't like or anything like that. Here the description, and after that you want to click on list it now. Keep in mind that if you receive an error, that means you haven't set up your eBay account for dropshipping. Of course, you will have to add your Payoneer account to your eBay, okay, so that you can start listing products from CG to eBay. Okay, so you need to go to eBay and make sure everything is set up. You want to add your Payoneer. You want to add your Payoneer account. You want to add your credit card, so that eBay will charge that credit card for eBay fees. You know, eBay charges like 13%. Okay, the fee. That's the fee of eBay. 10% for eBay and 3% for the payment provider, which is like Payoneer. Okay, that's exactly how this works. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, what you need to do, okay, to list products. Like I said, if you feel comfortable with dropshipping from CG to eBay, that's good. If you are not, then you need to do just like me, dropship from AliExpress to eBay. I will add the video in the screen right now, but before you click on it, please drop a like. Okay, so click on it and see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys find this video valuable, and yeah, have a good day. See you guys in the next video.